You cannot play into MJP file. It is a project file from MediaJoin. It creates a list of video clips to be joined. It does not contain the video itself. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the project. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the MJP file. I'll reveal it at the end. The MJP is a highly portable format, common among the video file group. It is composed of blocks of data compliant with MediaJoin Project File. An MJP file is a video file encoded using the Motion JPEG MJPEG video compression format. MJPEG treats each frame of video as a separate JPEG image, resulting in relatively simple encoding and decoding processes. It's commonly used in digital cameras, surveillance systems, and other applications where ease of implementation is prioritized. MJPEG encodes each video frame as a JPEG image, meaning there is no interframe compression. This results in larger file sizes compared to more advanced video codecs like H.264 or H.265. However, the lack of interframe dependencies makes MJPEG robust and suitable for applications requiring low latency and frame-accurate editing. Most users will find that any MJPEG-compatible player developed by Joint Photographic Experts Group, JPEG, is the best tool for MJP. The raw visual data is present, but Windows lacks the necessary parser to display it correctly. Windows can load the video for watching, while any advanced adjustments need editing applications. To force access, right-click your MJP file and select Open With. If any MJPEG-compatible player is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If you still cannot open your MJP file, that is okay. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, use MJPEG Viewer. Open the file in a specialized Motion JPEG player or a security camera viewer to see the recorded video sequence. Next, use VLC Media Player. Try dragging the MJP file into VLC. It can often play these files even if the Windows Media Player cannot. Finally, rename to AVI. Try renaming the file extension to AVI. Many MJPEG files are simply video frames packed in a way that standard players can read. If the failure of the Open With option points to a deep structural incompatibility, we must bypass it with advanced analysis software. It's tailored for stubborn MJP files and worth a try. I recommend switching to the FileMagick Universal Reader. It solves nearly every MJP file issue with one click. Get it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel. We're wrapped up here. See you next time.